Now to Florida, where jury selection's underway in a high-profile murder case where a millionaire developer is accused of killing his own wife. NBC's Mark Potter's in Orlando with the latest on this. Hi, Mark.
Good morning to you, Matt. It seems a bit odd, but jury selection here is occurring in the same courtroom where Casey Anthony was tried. The actual trial in this case will be in a different room and could begin as early as tomorrow and take 2 weeks.
Juror number 1136, will you raise your hand?
In a case that's drawn international attention, millionaire businessman Bob Ward is accused of murdering his wife Diane in their lavish Florida mansion.
No, I wouldn't do that. No.
Then later in jail, hamming it up with their daughter and his late wife's sister.
Hello.
Hey, handsome.
He and the daughter, who had just lost her mother, making facial gestures that many felt were inappropriate for such a somber occasion.
Such a lifestyle change for you. I can only imagine.
A witness at the jail said the daughter was just trying to cheer up her dad. Once the jury is selected in Ward's second-degree murder trial, it will hear two versions of how his wife Diane Ward died last year. Authorities claim Ward shot and killed her, then called 911 saying, "I just shot my wife. She's dead." At the time, police said it was cut and dry.
It's a very simple case. He pretty much in the call said that he had shot his wife and left her in the, and she could be found in the bedroom. And pretty much that's what we found when we got on the scene.
The death occurred in this Isleworth mansion near Orlando, an exclusive neighborhood once home to Tiger Woods and other celebrities. Reports at the time said Ward was facing bankruptcy and the home was in foreclosure.
What's the manner of death to Diane Ward?
Homicide.
Chief Medical Examiner Jan Garavaglia, known as Dr. G on her reality show, ruled the angle of the shot and the distance from which it was fired were inconsistent with suicide.
That is probably the most important evidence that will be presented in this case and the most litigated piece of evidence.
But Bob Ward said the shooting was not a homicide.
It was an accident, and I will tell you more about it later, but, you know, it was a very tragic accident.
In a jailhouse phone call, Ward said his wife shot herself as he struggled to take away her handgun.
Diane killed herself tonight. I have nothing to be worried about other than I just tried to get the gun out of her hand.
Still to be announced is what prosecutors believe could be the motive for a murder in a case where Bob Ward's behavior and that of his family after his arrest raised plenty of eyebrows. Now, earlier, defense attorneys had asked the judge to rule that those videotapes, those jailhouse videotapes, could not be shown in the trial. But prosecutors said there was no need for such a ruling, saying they have no intention of ever showing those videos to the jury in this murder trial. Matt?
I'm Mark Potter in Orlando this morning. Mark, thank you very much.